Transition to zero-emission growth involves shifting to practices, technologies, and policies that eliminate greenhouse gas emissions in various sectors to achieve sustainability and combat climate change. These are a few ways which can lead to zero emission. They include renewable energy adoption to replace fossil fuels with clean energy sources to reduce carbon emissions, energy efficiency improvements to reduce energy consumption and waste in buildings and industries, electrification of transportation to replace internal combustion energy vehicles with electric alternatives to cut emissions from transportation, and carbon capture and storage to mitigate emissions from sources that are hard to decarbonize. There are also some policies in place to transition to zero emission, including carbon pricing and emission trading to provide economic incentives for reducing emissions and transitioning to low carbon technologies, government incentives and subsidies to support the deployment of green technologies and lower the financial barriers, and regulations and standards that enforce reductions in emissions and encourage the use of sustainable practices. Some technological innovations that can lead to zero emissions include advanced battery technologies with longer lifespan, green hydrogen production that use hydrogen as a clean fuel for transportation and industry, and smart grid technologies that integrate renewable energy sources more effectively. There are some problems, however, as building the necessary infrastructure for renewable energy is very expensive and takes a lot of time, and transitioning to zero emissions can affect a lot of jobs and industries. In summary, transition to zero emission growth involves adopting renewable energy, improving energy efficiency, electrifying transportation, and implementing carbon capture, supported by policies and technological innovations while addressing infrastructure and economic challenges. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel.